In this video, I'm showing you 15 unsexy businesses that can make $5K plus a month while you sleep. But you need to stick with me, because the final 4 are the ones I'd pay the closest attention to. They are the most practical and the simplest to start. If you're a beginner, do not skip the final 4. Section 1, the list of unsexy businesses. Alright, let's get into it. These are the boring, repeatable services that quietly generate fortunes. Business number 1, commercial hood and duct cleaning. Every restaurant, hospital, and school has a metal hood over their stove that gets clogged with grease, creating a massive fire hazard. Because of this, national fire safety standards like NFPA 96 exist, and they are often written directly into local fire codes. This means commercial kitchens are legally required to have their hood and duct systems professionally cleaned on a regular schedule. This isn't a suggestion, it's a requirement to stay open and keep their insurance valid. A single cleaning can cost anywhere from $500 to over $1,500. You become a certified tech, land contracts, and put them on a recurring schedule. The Autopilot system is built on compliance. You use software to track every client's mandatory cleaning schedule. The billing is automated. You just show up, do the dirty work that keeps them safe and legal, and get paid. Business number 2, used cooking oil collection. Sticking with restaurants, what happens to all the oil from their deep fryers? It can't go down the drain. But here's the twist. That used cooking oil is a valuable resource used to make biodiesel. This creates a business where you get paid to haul away a valuable commodity. You give restaurants a collection bin for free, sign a contract, and show up on a regular route to pump out the old oil. Then you sell that oil to refineries for a profit. The Autopilot system here is all about route density. Once you have a cluster of restaurants, a single truck can service dozens in one day, making the operation incredibly efficient. As long as kitchens are frying food, you have a business. Business number 3, ice machine leasing and cleaning. Every restaurant, bar, and hotel needs clean ice. But commercial ice machines are expensive, a nightmare to maintain, and a breeding ground for mold and slime when they get dirty. This creates the perfect opening for a leasing business. Instead of selling a $5,000 headache, you lease peace of mind for a predictable monthly fee around $150 to $300 a month. Crucially, your lease agreement includes mandatory deep cleaning 2 to 4 times a year. The Autopilot system is the lease. You lock in recurring revenue with a multi-year contract and a preset service schedule. You're not selling a machine, you're selling uptime. Business number 4, medical waste disposal. This one has higher regulatory hurdles, but the profits and client loyalty are unmatched. Dental offices, clinics, tattoo parlors, and vet offices all produce sharps and biohazardous waste. By law, this material can't be tossed in the regular trash. These small practices are happy to pay someone to make this problem go away safely and legally. The business is providing them with approved waste containers and then running a route to pick them up and transport them to a specialized disposal facility. The Autopilot system is the service contract. Clients don't shop around. Once they find a reliable service, they stick with it for years. You set a recurring schedule, automate the billing, and run the route. The high barrier to entry from licensing means less competition for you. Business number 5, ATM Route Business. Even today, cash is king in many places. Cash-only bars, farmers markets, and dispensaries. An ATM Route Business means you place machines in these high-traffic spots and earn money from every transaction fee. You can own the machines and split fees with the location owner, or service machines they already own. Your only real job is to keep the machines stocked with cash and running smoothly. The Autopilot system is the machine itself, a 24/7 employee that earns money with every withdrawal. Modern ATMs even have remote monitoring software that tells you exactly how much cash is left, so you only visit when necessary. A good location can bring in hundreds or even $1,000 a month per machine. Business number 6, fire extinguisher servicing. Like hood cleaning, this business is driven by safety mandates. Every commercial building must have its fire extinguishers professionally serviced to comply with fire codes and NFPA 10 standards. On top of a yearly professional inspection, common extinguishers also need an internal check every 6 years and a pressure test every 12 years. Ignoring this means heavy fines or avoided insurance policy after a fire. A business owner cannot do this themselves. They must hire a certified professional to service the unit and update the tag. The Autopilot system is the compliance calendar. Land a client once, and you have built-in work for over a decade. You use simple software to track every extinguisher for every client, which automatically tells you when service is due. The law is your salesman. Business number 7, commercial pest control. A single roach or rodent sighting can destroy a business's reputation. Because of that, commercial pest control isn't a one-time fix. It's a recurring preventative service. Businesses gladly pay a monthly or quarterly fee to ensure they never have a problem. This is a perfect subscription model. You don't wait for a panicked call. You show up on a pre-scheduled basis to check traps, apply preventative treatments, and provide documentation for health inspectors. The Autopilot system is the service contract. Typical commercial contract locks a client in for at least a year with automatic renewals, creating predictable revenue. Route optimization software lets you build dense, efficient routes. You're not just killing bugs, you're selling a shield of protection businesses cannot operate without. You see the pattern, right? It's about finding a nagging, recurring problem and wrapping it in a simple automated service. These ideas are everywhere. If you want to go deeper, I've put together a free guide with 5 more bonus ideas just like these, including one you can start with almost zero capital. The link is at the top of the description. It's my gift to you. Now, let's get back to the list. Section 2, the list of unsexy businesses, business number 8, linen and uniform rental. Think of restaurants with tablecloths, hotels with sheets, or mechanics with greasy uniforms. Buying and laundering these textiles in-house is a massive headache. A rental service solves this. You own the inventory of linens and uniforms and rent them out for a weekly fee. That fee includes regular pickup of the dirty items and delivery of a fresh supply. You become their outsourced laundry department. The Autopilot system is the weekly service route. Each client has a contract with a predictable weekly charge. Modern services even use RFID trackers in the fabrics to track every item, minimizing loss. You're solving a core operational need with a highly systemized business. Business number 9, portable toilet rental. Every construction site, outdoor festival, and marathon needs bathrooms. Then, they are a basic operational requirement. On construction sites, OSHA requires employers to provide an adequate number of toilets for their workers. The business is simple. You buy a fleet of portable toilets and rent them out for a monthly fee, typically $100 to $250. That fee includes a weekly service visit where you pump the waste, clean the unit, and restock supplies. The Autopilot system is the rental contract. A single construction project can last for months, providing a long stream of predictable income from each toilet. You build a weekly service route for all your units, making the logistics incredibly efficient. Business number 10, parking lot line striping. Look at any parking lot. The painted lines that mark spaces fade from sun and traffic, and they need to be repainted every 1 to 3 years to stay visible and compliant. This creates a simple, repeatable service for property managers, retail centers, and schools. The work is straightforward. You use a striping machine to repaint the faded lines. A typical job can bring in several hundred to a few $1,000s, with profit margins often over 50%. The Autopilot here is a predictable service cycle. You build a database of every client. You painted their lot in July 2026. In early 2028, you send them an automated email with a photo of their faded lot and a quote to restripe it. You create your own recurring demand. Business number 11, pool maintenance. A swimming pool is a huge asset for a homeowner, but it's also a constant chore. Water chemistry, filters, and baskets all need weekly attention. Most owners would rather pay someone than spend their weekend working on it. This is a classic recurring service. For a flat monthly fee of around $150 to $250, you visit the home once a week and perform a standard checklist of services. Test the water, add chemicals, and check the equipment. The Autopilot system is the software that runs a modern pool business. It optimizes your route, stores data for each pool, and handles automated recurring billing. Once a client signs up, they are on autopay. A solo operator with 40 to 50 pools can generate a very comfortable income. Okay, we've arrived at the final 4. I told you to stick around for these, and here's why. They have the lowest startup costs, and you could land your first paying customer this week. Pay close attention. Business number 12, gutter cleaning. This is the definition of an unsexy, necessary chore. Clogged gutters cause rainwater to overflow, which can lead to catastrophic foundation and roof damage. Homeowners either hate this job, are afraid of ladders, or forget about it until it's too late. The problem returns every single year. The business is incredibly simple. With a good ladder and some gloves, you can start for under $500. You can charge $150 to $350 for a job that takes less than 2 hours. The Autopilot system is the annual membership. Instead of one-off jobs, you sell a subscription for 2 scheduled cleanings a year, spring and fall, at a slight discount. You put them on a recurring schedule with automated billing and solve their problem before it becomes a disaster. Business number 13, pet waste removal. This might be the ultimate unsexy business. People love their dogs, but they hate cleaning up the backyard. It's a gross, repetitive chore, and people will gladly pay to make it disappear. This is a pure recurring revenue business. For a weekly fee of $15 to $25, you visit a client's home and clear their yard of all pet waste. The startup costs are hilariously low. A good pooper scooper and some bags. You can start this business for less than $100. The Autopilot system is the weekly subscription. Clients sign up once and are added to your route. You bill their card automatically each month. The key is route density. Get 50 clients paying around $80 a month, and that's $4,000 in predictable revenue for what is essentially a part-time job. Business number 14, commercial window cleaning. Look at any storefront. Dirty windows are bad for business. And owners know this, and they need their windows cleaned regularly, often weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Unlike residential cleaning, commercial work is all about recurring routes. Startup costs are very low. A few high-quality squeegees, buckets, and soap are all you need for ground-level work. You can master the technique by practicing on your own windows. The Autopilot system is the route. Walk into a business and offer a free test clean on one window. When they see the difference, sign them up for a recurring schedule. Small storefront might pay $40 per cleaning, twice a month. It doesn't sound like much, but with 50 of those clients on a dense route, the numbers add up fast. Business number 15, mobile document shredding. Every business generates sensitive documents, financial records, employee information, client contracts. Tossing these in the trash is a huge security risk and can violate privacy laws like HIPAA. A mobile shredding business brings the solution to the client's door. The real money is in recurring service. You place locked collection bins in their office. On a set schedule, you show up, empty the bins directly into your truck shredder, and provide a certificate of destruction. The Autopilot system is the service contract. This is a compliance-driven business with very low customer churn. Clients will look for providers with NAID AAA certification, the industry's gold standard for security. You set up a route, service your clients, and can even sell the shredded paper for extra revenue. While a shredding truck is expensive, you can start smaller by collecting documents and shredding them at a secure, rented facility. You are selling security and peace of mind. Conclusion. So there you have it. 15 boring, unsexy, and beautifully profitable businesses. Not one of them will be the talk of Silicon Valley, but they all share a golden thread. They solve a real, recurring, and non-negotiable problem. They operate on simple, repeatable systems, and they generate predictable cash flow. You don't need a revolutionary idea to build a successful business. You just need to find a boring problem and solve it more reliably than anyone else. The opportunity to build a $5,000 a month Autopilot business is right in front of you. You just have to be willing to get your hands a little dirty. You have to be willing to do the work that others won't, because that is where the real money is made. So which of these businesses surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you got value from this video, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.